The lace is lacing, okay? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. I forgot to put my bracelet on. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, you know, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. Okay, not ready. As you can tell from the title, we have a wig review. Get them sexy. So we are working with Dyhair777 today, y'all. And this is a first for me. I love the little tote bag. So we're gonna see, you know, what the hair is giving though. That's what's the most important, what the hair is giving. So let's see what's in the bag. Okay, we got the hair. Hair care instructions. Then there's the tag for the hair, and then there's the band, you know, for the girlies who like to lay their lace band for an hour. And that's what he can't say. So this is a Peruvian HD lace 5x5 closure, 200% density, and it's loose deep wave. It's 24 inches, and it's a pre-cut lace, and it's a medium cap. Hope it's gonna work. Should I have gotten a large? Do I have a big head? I think in my mind my head is a little smaller than what it actually is. But we're gonna make it work. So let's get into the hair. Ooh, look at the curls. Okay. You may not even have to do much to this, y'all. The curls is curling. I love this pattern. Love, love, love this pattern. Okay, so the lace is pre-cut. It's supposed to be a glueless wear and go, y'all. The lace is already cut. Look at it. Okay, so let's get into cap construction. So you see the 5x5 lace there. It's got the combs on the side. It has a comb in the back. It has the strappy strap that's adjustable. I like to adjust mine all the way. Well, not all the way. Give it a little room to grow, you know? I would normally crisscross it if it didn't have a band, but because it doesn't have a band, I don't have to crisscross applesauce it. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it on and see exactly what it's giving or what we're gonna have to do to it. I love the curls. Love, love, love the curls, y'all. Okay, so the lace is lacing, okay? Okay, the 5x5 lace closure is here to here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tweeze the parts, hot comb it, and I think we're gonna roll with the curls that's already in it. Yeah, so let's get to work, y'all. Let's go. Oh, yes, yes.
So I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be home, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas, no way they can never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up.
I am in love. Like, I just finger combed the hair. And I feel like if you get it wet, it's gonna dry back up. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. When you add water, oh my goodness. I love this curl pattern, y'all. It's minimal shedding. You know, with curly hair, loose deep wave, any kind of hair that has like a curl pattern, it tends to shed a little bit. So it's just a little bit of shedding, which is no more than normal. But I like how dense the wig is. I just like the overall look of it. And I really didn't have to do much to the part but pluck it. Normally I have to tint the lace. I didn't have to tint the lace. I just had to put a little concealer. And it still eats. What do y'all think? I'ma love y'all. So what I'll make sure to do is put a direct link to the wig down in the description box, as well as a coupon code so you can save some money on your order. Dyhair777. Y'all did y'all thing on this unit, baby. This is 24 inches 5x5 lace closure. It's pre-cut lace, so I didn't have to cut the lace. 200% density, so it's giving body. It's giving dense. It looks like it's coming right out my scalp, and nobody is gonna tell me anything different, okay? I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are. Is this something that you can see yourself wearing? Is this a good curl pattern for you? Have you had a curl pattern like this before? Like, I'm in love with these curls. I'm in love with this curl pattern, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. So prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. Make sure you like this video. Make sure that you comment down below, and make sure, most importantly, that you are subscribed to my channel and that you have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. I want to thank y'all so much for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know Candace Denise loves you from the bottom of my heart. I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.